how to find trending songs on YouTube. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, I'll teach you how you can find trending songs on YouTube. First things first, open up your YouTube app and go to your home page. And besides all, you see an option on the very first, tap on it, and a page like this will load. There you'll see trending, tap on it, and go to music. And there you go. The trending songs in a country will appear here. So you can even see the views and you can scroll down and it will show you the list of all the trending songs in order. And you can also see the trending for gaming videos, for movies, as well as reels, that is shorts in YouTube. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, everyone.